trying to do now is we're down approximately 20 to 25 feet. We've dug out soil in the unsaturated zone that had contaminants, and now we're getting down into the groundwater, and we're going down from 25 feet to 35 feet. Instead of benching the walls back further, using sheet pile to hold the integrity of the wall. These are going to go down sections. Essentially have a C on one end, and they link together. So they're tied together, and they're going to run all the way across. These cells are 40 feet wide, 30 feet deep, coming towards us. There's concentrations of gasoline contaminants essentially in the ground. That's what we're dealing with. There used to be a tank farm in this area, so there was a group of tanks that they used before they put that in, and they put new gas tanks in, and they discharged. There's a municipal well that they put in about a mile over there, and this has a mass of these petroleum contaminants down in groundwater that when they turned that well on, when they installed it and turned it on, it drew the contaminants to the well. They turned the well off, and now they've kind of retreated back, but there's still this mass that our groundwater is not cleaning up. So we looked at a bunch of alternatives, doing injections just straight into this, or going more active and digging it out and putting the amendments into the ground. And we feel that we can get more mass, treat more mass more quickly, and get this thing closed out more quickly if we were to go this route. There were buildings all through this area, so it would be tricky to run the systems, pipe them through to where we needed to. We did focus this excavation area on the highest contaminants that we saw in soils and in groundwater here. So we feel with the combination of the excavation of getting that mass source out of the ground and amending the backfill with microorganisms is really going to provide us with a really good remediation that hopefully we're not seeing, long-term residual impacts still. Hopefully we'll be able to get this to remediate within the next few